Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Erik Strandberg from Westermo in Västerås, Sweden. I'm here to talk about the Westermo use case in the IDORT project. So Westermo, we build these cyber-physical systems. These are switches and routers for industry applications, maybe onboard rail, trackside, power distribution, and industry automation in general. In our project, we start by looking at humans. These are colleagues, people at Westermo. We write code, we write test cases, we do DevOps. We do many different things to get to the software and the cyber-physical systems. We do this in an agile process with DevOps. In each step of the DevOps process, maybe we compile, maybe we do code analysis, maybe we do nightly testing. In each step, we produce some data and we do some quality checks. And what we want to do in the project, we want an AI to look at this data and to automate and give us an AI augmented quality check. We want better quality of the software and hardware, and we want to speed up things to help our colleagues working with this. So AI in the DevOps process, that's one of the goals, and in particular we want to troubleshoot faster. Troubleshooting of functional problems like finding a problem faster, and also troubleshooting non-functional problems. So non-functional problems could be a quality degradation. We are also looking at the test systems. Are they in a strange state when we're doing the testing? And finally, we also focus on log analysis. So we want to improve how we look at log files. We have collaborated with a number of partners, in particular RISE and Copado, and also many academic partners like Åbo, Mälardalen University, University of Teramo, and also Aquila. So we have a wide range of partners that we have been working with, and we have achieved many things. So we have improved our internal data collection. We have looked at many prototypes of tools. We have supervised student theses. We have published papers or participated in publishing papers. We have been involved in all of the hackathons in the project, and we won 2 of them. We're of course very proud of that. And last but not least, we have published 2 data sets on GitHub. So you can find them on github.com/Westermo. And we have one, I think, was published the first year of IDORT, and the other one last fall. So an example of an application that we have been involved in looking at is log analysis. So we have a lot of log files produced and also test results data which tests passed or failed. We do some natural language processing of this, and in one application we clustered log files. In another, we ranked source code changes to see can we identify a suspect when something has gone wrong. And currently, one student is wrapping up his master thesis where we are using the same type of natural language processing pipeline to prioritize test cases. So this looks very much at the functional aspect and getting AI in the DevOps process. And something we haven't really focused on in the first 2 years that we have started to look at more in the last year is non-functional quality. So this starts with, but we started doing that now last year. So we published one data set with performance data. So the test systems that we have, we monitor their CPU usage, their memory usage, the fork rate, and many other performance metrics. So we did this on, I think, almost 20 test systems for almost 20 metrics every 30 seconds for a month. So that's a lot of data to look at. You can load one of the data sets, one of the test system data in Excel and make one plot, and then Excel crashes. So it's a lot of data. You have to have something to manage this, to look at this data. So we have the open data. It's in CSV files, regular text files. And we had some students implement a tool for us so we can load this data into a database. But while loading it, we can introduce problems. So we fake having a problem so that we can exercise or play around with many different anomaly detection methods. And then we use Grafana to visualize this to help us see the problems. And the whole purpose of this is for colleagues at Westermo that work with DevOps to see if we have an anomaly in our real system, we can simulate that problem in a safe environment without affecting anything that is live in our production. And so far we have a couple of anomaly injection methods, and we have been working with a couple of anomaly detection methods. And we have a student who's wrapping up now his thesis being more systematic in the anomaly detection methods. So to summarize, I'm from Westermo. We make switches and routers. The main purpose of the project is to improve the quality process. So first of all, we have very many internal customers to this, leading to good external quality. We have collaborated with many partners. We have looked at many different tool prototypes, and we are incredibly happy with the project. It's a great success. Thank you.